Welcome again to another episode of Marshmallow Death. This one we'll be starting with one marshmallow to put it to extreme conditions, even in the refrigerator. Let's draw a face on it. A spunky young lad. Let's see his death. Oh, it closed it. Ew, it's pulsing. Oh, it's opening up. He's opening up. Ew, that's not good. Ah. He's melting. Oh my God. It's dying! It looks like extreme chocolate makeover. He's shrinking! Okay, put him in the refrigerator now. Maybe the freezer. Yeah, that'll work. And we'll set the timer for 10 seconds. Now let it freeze. Okay, then let's try it out.
So I'm guessing the un-Frankenstein is probably right.
Yeah, it's still hot.
The original Frankenstein.
Let's see what the other side looks like.